this shit might go. You just might forget that this was what you're getting hyped for. Minute night into the day, still remain that guy who needs someone who's sweet enough, won't shoot to make that high low. And it's such a typical